Alright guys, on this for Brian. He's got to pick one, 831. Go live. We are live. 831. And 831. Grab the list. Alright, we have 15 spots at 20. Winner picks one of those nice pieces of memorabilia. Alright, 15 entries. Joe Bold on the bottom, Stacy up on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4 is not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 9 is good. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats, Scott Rao. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with Brian and pick out your piece of memorabilia. 832. We will type done. We are done. 832. 832. Verification and timestamp.